Hi and welcome back to the channel, where today we're talking a bit more practicality of the Tesla Model 3, or more specifically an accessory to help those practical spaces become a bit more usable. Now, we know that the frunk in a Tesla is worth its weight in gold. It's a brilliant place to keep things, but you've also got that brilliant space below the trunk where I guess a fuel tank would be in a regular car. Now today I'm going to show you an accessory just to keep that little space super organised so you can make better use of it. So stay tuned and I'll show you around. Okay, so let's kick things off by saying a big thank you to Yeslak, who have sponsored today's video by providing the items I'm about to show you. If you'd like to learn more about their products, the link is up there. There's a discount code in the description below, and they've got loads of great Tesla accessories. So let's get started. So here in the trunk, or boot, here in the UK, it's actually a really good space in the Tesla. There's a lot of room. It's quite deep. You can put the seats down if you need any more room. I think it's a really practical boot. But underneath here is a brilliant additional space. So you can just lift this handle and you can either take it out altogether, it's solid wood inside, or you can just slide it back and it's out of the way. And then that reveals underneath, which is your under trunk, if you will, or under boot. Now, I've currently thrown all my stuff in there because that's what tends to happen. It is just a bit of a messy area unless you can organise it. I have hooks in here as well that I just screw in up here, which I will show you. These are available on Amazon. They're a great place to be able to hang your shopping bags, but some order down here would be really useful. So I have this and this. Now, very straightforwardly, these are designed to be the exact right shape for the under trunk, if you will, the under boot inside the car. So let me pop these items out of the way. Now, these are things you should probably carry with you. At the end of the day, these are your charging cables. That's the one that plugs into the mains in the house. That's the regular one that you would tether to an external charger. Sorry, I have to be careful. A pump. It's super important to make sure you can at least pump these tyres up if they do go down and you're out in the wild. That happened to me last week. Ended up having to get a new tyre because of a screw in it. But at least I could get home from the train station where my car was parked thanks to this. So make sure you got a pump. I actually reviewed a wireless one. If you click on the link up there, you can watch the review of it. That's again available on Amazon. It's really good. And then a blanket because it's handy to have. So you're left with this big space. But with this, you can pop that in and it fits perfectly. So if I then pop some of my items, so I can maybe put the rug in there just in case it gets cold, an umbrella. I like to carry this travel seat just because if I'm out and about, it's nice to be able to sit down. And then this one fits perfectly on top, and it is super snug. I mean, look at the fit around there. It's absolutely perfect. And you've got enough space here to be able to put your Tesla cables in at one side, put your home charging cable on the other, and then you can even stick those in across the back. And you've still got room to put the cover over the top. I've got to admit, I think it's a really simple solution, but it's one of those things that, again, arguably should have come with the car, but it didn't, so now you can buy it third party. So go and get one. Thanks again for watching. Nice short video. Again, huge thanks to Yeslak. The link is up there, and I'll see you on the next video.